quick, throw water on my biceps.
Oh, shit.
I can feel how I'm changing. I don't know if I'll ever go back. All the ways that you make me build me up on the things I lack. I don't ever wanna lose you now. 'Cause I don't think I'll make it here. 'Cause it's you and only.
We had such a great time last time we were over here at Bridgeport Reservoir. We're back over here again. Let's go! Oh,
Those guys over there caught their
yeah, guys on the sides are already catching fish, so
It's like
it's
12
noon.
o'clock. It's noon right now.
Yeah, it's noon right now, so we got here a little late, picked up some food, so we'll hang out here for a few hours and see how we do.
Hopefully
Hopefully
it'll
we
be a
go.
great day, yeah.
Hopefully. We got three baits going on, and I'm gonna throw out a character lure, gold and
Alright.
black, so stay tuned. Hopefully we get something. That thing really took it.
It took it. Oh wait, it's still on there.
Oh, it's there. You got him.
I was like, I thought you took them. Oh.
You good one? There it is, first fish of the day.
Chartreuse power bait.
Chartreuse. Hold that.
Oh wait, I'm looking at their fish too.
They got a big one.
They got a big one over there where that guy's at.
Right on the lip. First fish.
First fish.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Now let's get some more.
Yes.
We are over here in the back of our car just waiting for the bite. Got our poles over there. I got a strike with the Castmaster, but just hit it a couple times and that was it. Now my legs are tired, so I need to take a little break. Lunch break. We got our Vaughn's potato wedges and chicken tenders. There are people catching some big fish still though. I just hope that it's our turn next. Oh, you got a bite right here. Right here.
You have to go through? Alright, this is your first one, Carrie. Oh, was that you?
No. It went off too?
Yeah.
This is a good one, you know. This is a good one. Don't worry about that. These guys are strong.
Good job. Good job, love.
Nice chunky one. Now we pick that up. On there.
He is on there.
So we're still biting. Might be back-to-back fish, guys. Oh, you got him. You got him, right?
No,
It looks like it's bent. Oh, back-to-back fish. Nice.
I knew I didn't kick my pole.
Barely on the lip, guys. Nice. That's a good one right there. So they must have just swam by in like a little school and just both poles went off.
Yeah. It's always fun like that.
One on a pinch crawler and one on chartreuse powerbait.
Yeah.
Is it the one? Is it the one?
Yeah, so this is when it starts picking up again. Yeah. Oh.
This might be the one.
So you're gonna go to another place?
Unless this is a big one.
No, this is when it picks up. Right now, this is not the time to move.
Little guy.
Really?
1 pounder. Oh, he's ripping out. Quick, throw water on my biceps.
Oh, you came all the way up here.
No, I was really close
That's
actually.
far.
It's on the night crawler again, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Boy,
He does have a fight to him.
yeah, he's got some fight in him.
Nice fish.
It has some chunkiness to it.
Little guy.
Nice.
Nice fish.
Nice. I walked away to throw some lures, come back. I missed it.
Come on.
We really
He's
swallowed.
really in there. I couldn't get him out.
Yeah, he swallowed it big time. Oh, I walked away and Christine caught a fish. What did you get that on?
This one was on chartreuse powerbait. You got it here.
Oh my goodness.
I hope this is a
Just
try.
take your time. I got it.
Oh, shit. Can you loosen my drag for me? Because I'm scared to.
I didn't really loosen it.
It's swimming this way. Yeah, I see him. You see him?
I don't see him yet.
Oh my god. It's a heavy one.
Oh my goodness, it's a good one.
It's a good one. Look at that. Sorry, Amelia. The pole's like, oh. You see him?
I see him. I see him.
Belly went up.
Oh yeah.
Yes.
You got him.
This is a fatty too.
Nice fish.
Not a tag.
There you go. Another one. That is a big one. It looks huge right now. Amazing, guys. We're gonna get some pictures of this bad boy. What was it on? Chartreuse powerbait, guys. All right, we just picked up our food and we are back at home.
All right, we picked up some local frijoles. This is our second time going there, so I enjoyed it so much. I got the beef enchiladas plate. Comes with rice and beans, so that's mine.
Yep.
What you got?
Bam.
We get the sauce over there.
I got the 4 asada soft tacos.
smells good.
Got the onion, cilantro. I love cilantro. Whew.
It smells good.
If you could just smell this, guys. So the total cost was what?
Like around $32 for both.
Yeah, 30. It was about 3 something for each one of these. Take that bite.
I love enchiladas.
She loves the enchiladas.
So it was a good day today.
Awesome
So-
day. Awesome.
I know it's supposed to be a little carb, but I'm gonna move a lot after this meal. Cheers.
I'm sure you guys don't want to see me bite into this, so we're gonna
It's so
eat,
good.
clean up.
Probably fish again. I'm just playing. It's 5 o'clock right now.
Yeah, but thanks for sticking around, guys. We appreciate all of you guys, and stay tuned for the next one.